Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 Chief Meteorologist Mark Schnackenberg. Storm Track 7 yellow alert days coming up here for the potential of strong or severe storms that would include hail, high wind, maybe an isolated tornado. It'll be Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We'll give you the timing and show you the locations here in just a second. First, the wind, just in general, as the storm moves into the area, it will increase during the overnight hours and will be windy all day tomorrow with some of the wind gusts to near 40 miles per hour. It'll be from the southeasterly direction. So we're still looking at the potential for some severe weather in our southwestern counties. Better shot, though, of severe weather will be southwest of the Des Moines area. As for that threat for severe weather, for us, it'll be during the evening hours. Then that area of low pressure that's going to produce the severe weather will move northeast and then leave behind a stationary front here. And that may trigger a couple more storms, but this is probably going to be during the evening hours on Saturday. Then a second area of low pressure will track a little farther to the east, and that'll be across the central portion of the state, and that puts the risk of severe weather in through parts of eastern Iowa as well. So now, let's go show you a little closer look, a little more detail into tomorrow. There's your risk of severe weather. Our southwestern counties, a level 2 out of 5. Again, better shot at seeing the severe weather will be south and west of the Des Moines and Ames area. Hail and high wind, a possibility with any of the storms here in eastern Iowa. Tornado threat at this point appears low with timing about 6 p.m. to midnight. We will see some showers and thunderstorms as we get into the morning hours tomorrow. I'll show you that here in just a second. This evening, not a problem. If you have any plans outside, should be nice. And after midnight, we'll see the clouds increase. Here we are at 3 o'clock in the morning. Some showers, a couple of thunderstorms, nothing severe out of this. Maybe some small hail. That moves to the east, but the storms are weakening, so just some rain during the morning hours, and will be a warning commute that'll be wet. As we get towards lunchtime, there's a potential for some of these storms that across our northwestern counties to be on the stronger side. Maybe an isolated severe storm. At this point, it would be only hail and high winds. That moves away, and then we're dry across the region, area-wide, 2, 3 o'clock, and that continues into the early evening hours. So here we are now at 7 o'clock, another round of thunderstorms to the south and west. This is what I'm talking about that may impact us here with some severe weather. But watch what happens. During that time frame between 7 and 10, those storms weaken as they move northeast. We'll have some showers and thunderstorm chances here till about midnight or 1 o'clock, and then that's it. We'll dry out as we get through the overnight hours. Sunshine expected here during the day on Saturday. Now, remember, I mentioned there's going to be a stationary front here. So along that front, there could be a few thunderstorms that pop up, but that probably won't be until late in the day. So a good portion of the day is going to be dry, warm, and windy. Here we are at 6 o'clock, maybe an isolated storm along that boundary. Along that boundary comes that chance for some severe weather during the evening hours, 7, 8, 9 o'clock. Again, some of these storms could be severe, move out of the area, and then by 2 o'clock in the morning, looking pretty quiet, and then maybe some showers and thunderstorms as we get into the day on Sunday. We're still a number of days out, so a little iffy on those details. As of right now, temperatures tonight will drop down into the 40s, a little bit warmer than where we should be for this time of year, and into the day tomorrow. Rain and thunderstorms in the morning, not anticipating those to be severe, but I can't completely rule out maybe 1 or 2 severe storms. Hail and wind will be the primary threat. Afternoon, mainly dry. Evening is when things start to kick up a little bit, but those storms will be weakening as they move northeast across eastern Iowa. Here's a look at your city-by-city forecast. A couple of thunderstorms on Saturday. Again, those are expected to be during the evening hours. Otherwise, a good portion of the day is going to be dry, but it will also be warm. Temperatures will be close to 80 degrees. A little bit cooler because we have a better chance of seeing some rain and some thunderstorms as we get into the day on Sunday. So there are your alert days, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We'll dry out as the storm system moves away on Monday. Tuesday, we've still got that wind. And then look at the temperatures, 70s expected, maybe a few rain showers on Wednesday. Dry for the end of the week into the weekend until Sunday, but temperatures remaining above normal in the 70s for highs, overnight lows in the 40s and 50s.